Okay, on this little rocket gun, this air-powered rocket gun that I pump up, this here shark bite tube's got a O-ring there where it makes a seal against this 1 inch um, polycarbonate tubing that's inside there. It's plugged. I put a different projectile piece on here that's got a slot so that air can flow on here, and it makes kind of a, it's not really a whistle. It sounds more like a dove sound, the sound a dove makes, sort of like that. Anyway, I'm going to pump her up to about 50 pumps and shoot it past the camera into the couch and see if you can hear this thing at all. Okay, we'll put 50. Okay, now I'm going to shoot past the camera into the couch, which is in the living room, that direction. I'm going to get up, step back so it can pass the camera. It's right there by my screen. So let's see if we can hear it make a sound. Heard it right toward the end there when it got close to the couch. Okay, let's see.